Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle auto source switch on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. First of all, you have to reach for the joystick that is located on the back side of your monitor. You have to press it once and then move it upwards to highlight the menu button. Press the joystick once again to select open menu. Then here you're gonna have to navigate down to system option to navigate, use up or down movements of your joystick. Once you highlight system, you're gonna have to press joystick one more time, then scroll down to auto source switch plus, press your joystick once again, and here you can enable or disable auto source switch. So by default this function is enabled, so if you want to disable it, just press joystick and select off. Okay, and if you have it enabled, you can also control the USB-C switch, which you can then turn on or off. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.